So let's talk about the biggest hurdle everyone has when it comes to getting started on content creation. And it's that right there. It's getting started. I know it's a tough thing to do, and I myself struggle with it. That's why I've wanted to focus on it more and make it more a priority, because content creation is something that it doesn't have to be intimidating. It should be fun, and it should be part of your businesses. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of tips on what I found that works great just to get things started. So number one, what I would say is definitely have a plan when you start coming up with ideas. Just get in there and say, you know what, I'm going to do X amount per week or per month or something like that. Set up a plan for yourself, set up goals and be able to achieve them. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's even just one a month. You're just going to say, you know what, I'm going to create something. I'm going to create a video. I'm going to start doing a podcast. I'm going to start doing something. It's really important that you at least set an attainable goal, because part of the problem that I see with a lot of people, what they do with their businesses is they'll start posting a lot and then they get busy and then they're not able to post anymore. So you set up a goal that you know you can hit no matter what time it is, no matter what's going on, you know that you can hit it. The second one that I would say to do is to do the work in bulk. Now, what I mean by this is set aside a day once per month to say, you know what, this is what I'm focused on all day long, is I'm going to do nothing but create these videos that then are going to be posted throughout the next month or two. It just makes it way easier mentally. You're more prepared for it. You're not trying to work off the cuff as much. It'll just make things a lot easier on your business. And then you just know that one day you need to focus on it and then it's knocked out, it's done, and then you don't have to worry about it until the next month. The third hurdle a lot of people say is, well, I don't know how to educate myself on it. I don't know what I'm doing. And I totally understand that. And that's why part of our services is offering education on these things so that we can help you get the ball rolling. But really, there is so many other people out there on YouTube and different things like that that you can find to help get the ball rolling and help get you creating content for your business. I personally watch things all the time that I'm constantly learning, trying to figure out whether it's new applications or new ideas that I can incorporate within my business. And so there's definitely things out there. It's just a matter of what gear you're working with and of how you're going to be able to utilize it. Speaking of gear, that's another thing that a lot of people have trouble with is, well, I have all this stuff, I don't know how to use it, different things like that. And again, that's where a huge resource is going out to YouTube, just searching, how do I use this? How do I use that? Or quite simply, just hitting record and finding out yourself how it works. Definitely you can shoot a lot of great stuff when it comes to video with your phone. Phones are great these days with the quality that they have. Audio is a little bit tougher, but you can definitely buy adapters and things like that to plug in, whether it's to your phone, your computer, your iPad, whatever it may be that you use, and then you can record a higher quality audio, especially with Bluetooth stuff as well. You can definitely use Bluetooth to increase the quality for your video. So there's really no excuse in terms of like, well, I don't have the gear. It's more of how do I use the gear? At the end of the day, for your business, your customers are going to understand that, hey, if you're trying something new and you're trying it out, they're going to give you some leeway on it as far as if it doesn't look polished right away. As you get going, though, you definitely want to be improving. So, don't be afraid to try new things, to get out there and do it and just get it done. And then you'll see the different things that people are saying about you and your business and being able to draw leads from that because you were putting yourself out there. And remember, the whole point of creating this content for them anyway is to show that you know what you're talking about in the field that you're in, so that you're putting yourself as a leader and they're going to look up to you and look to you when they need something. All right, I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you like the content that we're producing out here, please like and subscribe. And until next time.